Vat Essen now, she's the head of market analysis at AM Best, an insurance ratings agency there in London. Thank you for joining us, Yvette. What can we make of this Prudential deal going after AIG's Asian business?
The way it's surprising is it's such a big deal, which is why the market has been a bit spooked by this deal and why the shares of Prudential have fallen within the first 2 days of them announcing the deal. And the shares have fallen quite significantly from surprise. However, at the same time, it's not a surprise because Prudential have obviously been very, very focused on Asia, and increasingly so. I've just published a report just a couple of days ago, and in that report we looked at Southeast Asia and the opportunities within Asia, saying that this was a great opportunity for growth.
The thing is, it's already got, Prudential I'm talking about, has already got a business in Asia. Is it just a good time to go after more acquisitions there? Is the market ripe for that there in Asia?
Well, the markets in particularly Southeast Asia, where I've focused my report on, are ripe for tremendous growth in some cases. The feeling is that Southeast Asia has got many driving factors behind growth. For example, it has extremely low insurance penetration currently, and there's a growing awareness of the benefits of having insurance, which are two of the reasons why Prudential has decided to look increasingly into this area and make such a large acquisition.
So we're talking huge untapped potential in Asia, you think?
Well, there's a feeling that Asia is one of the main points, one of the main places where people can still go and get growth, where companies can expand and move away from markets and diversify from mature markets such as America and the UK. I mean, there are other markets such as the Middle East, for example, where people see there will be quite a lot of growth. And that's an area I will touch in my next report, the Middle East being a potential for change and growth. But Asia in particular, considering the number of people living there, considering changing demographics, that's seen as an opportunity there, which is just invaluable really for companies such as Prudential.
Is it anything in particular in Asia that's driving the growth? Are people, is there new wealth to, you can buy your life insurance now, or is it material goods which people are wanting to insure more and more?
Well, each country has their own characteristics and specific characteristics which will drive growth. But say if we look at China, for example,
Sure.
There's growing wealth there with the economy. If we look at India as well, there's a lot of business infrastructure and internet usage there, so that, and knowledge and expertise. So that's fueling the growing middle class. Then you look at the companies and the countries in Southeast Asia, and there's also growing wealth there, as well as understanding, awareness, and the understanding of the need to buy insurance products.
And on the flip side of this Prudential deal, I guess it's a great timing for AIG, who's got a little bit of money to pay back to the US government.
Yes, well, that's obviously one of the driving factors there. But it's worth pointing out that although it's a great opportunity, and other companies are looking at also penetrating this region, and that's resulting in a lot of competition in Southeast Asia and in India and China. So Prudential are going into this market. They've realised the potential there, but there are also going to be some challenges ahead in actually growing there.
Yvette Essen from AM Best there in London, thanks for joining us.